Hey everyone, here's how to replace a rear wiper blade on a 2024 Kia Sorento. First, we need to put the rear wiper into service mode. So we're going to press the start button twice without pressing the brake, and then we're going to press it a third time to turn everything off. Next, we're going to hold the wiper stalk down in the mist position for about 3 seconds, and the rear wiper will automatically move into service mode for easy access. And here's the replacement rear wiper blade I'll be installing today. Next, we'll lift the rear wiper arm and apply a little pressure to the old blade. It should pop right off without much effort. Now we take the new blade and snap it right back into place, just as easy as removing the old one. And then give it a little push so it snaps back into place, and that's it.